Garmin's Fenix line has long been the gold standard for rugged multi-sport smartwatches. Built for elite athletes, endurance runners, climbers, and outdoor explorers, these devices are known for their durability, precision, and performance. But the Fenix 8 Pro? It's rumored to be a complete reinvention. LTE plus satellite, a new era of connectivity. The headline feature making waves is the integration of LTE and satellite communication in a single wrist-worn device. Imagine heading off-grid without your smartphone and still being able to send SOS alerts instantly, share your live location, text loved ones, make short voice calls. This isn't just convenience, it's a safety revolution. Garmin is blending its trusted inReach satellite tech with LTE to offer true phone-free adventures. Clearing up the confusion. Fenix 8 Pro versus MicroLEDD set the record straight. The Fenix 8 Pro is not the same as Garmin's rumored MicroLEDD smartwatch. While the MicroLEDD may feature advanced display technology, the Fenix 8 Pro is expected to be the flagship wearable of 2025, and it already looks groundbreaking. Smart sensors and tracking tools leaks suggest Garmin is refining its existing sensor suite rather than reinventing it. Expect multi-band GPS for pinpoint accuracy, upgraded heart rate sensors, ECG monitoring for heart health, pulse ox, altimeter, barometer, and compass for outdoor navigation. The real upgrade? Independence. With built-in connectivity, you won't need your phone to stay informed and safe. Garmin Messenger gets a makeover. Garmin is also revamping its Messenger app, turning it into a unified hub for LTE texts, satellite messages, and emergency alerts. No more juggling multiple apps, just seamless communication. Battery life versus always-on connectivity. Here's the challenge. LTE and satellite features drain battery fast. Garmin's solution? Smart power modes that activate connectivity only when needed. Combined with solar charging, the Fenix 8 Pro aims to balance endurance with functionality. Subscription tiers. Pay for what you need like. Garmin's inReach devices, the Fenix 8 Pro will likely offer tiered subscription plans. Tier features, basic emergency. SOS only essential limited tracking and messaging, standard expanded messaging and navigation, premium full LTE plus satellite, unlimited access. This flexible model ensures users only pay for the connectivity they truly need. FES. Competing with Apple and Samsung. With Apple adding satellite SOS to iPhones and Samsung exploring similar tech, Garmin is making a bold move. We do it better. Backed by years of satellite expertise and rugged hardware, the Fenix 8 Pro is built for serious adventurers. Design expectations. While leaks focus on features, here's what we expect design-wise. Rugged titanium and sapphire builds multiple. Case sizes, transflective display with improved brightness, enhanced solar charging. Water resistance upgrades. New strap and bezel options. Don't expect a radical redesign. Garmin knows what works. Release date and pricing, mark your calendars. The Fenix 8 Pro is expected to launch in September 2025, just in time for the holiday season and to rival the next-gen Apple Watch. Pricing? Estimates range from $899 to $1,199, depending on materials and size. Plus, subscription fees for connectivity will be an ongoing cost, but for many, it's worth the freedom.